Hi everyone. How was the first part of this tutorial about German numbers? Do write your comments in the comments section. In this tutorial part, I will continue with the German numbers and cover the numbers from 20 to 100. Oh yes, indeed, you heard it right. Up till number 100. So let's move on. Here you can see the German numbers from 20 to 25. So 20 is
20, 20.
If you remember from my previous tutorial about the consonants and the vowels combinations, I showed you that certain German words, when they end with the alphabets E and G, the sounds can be of two types. Ig, which is the standard sound, but also the more often used and heard sound, ish sound. So the ish sound has become more prominent and it's also more used than the ig sound. So 20 is 20 or 20. Then 21,
21, 21.
so 21 or 21. And please note that the S from the number 1, which is eins, is removed when number 1 is combined with another number in German, as you will see for other numbers later on too. The word und means and this word is used to combine two or even more than two numbers in the German language. So this literally translates to 1 and 20, 2 and 20, 3 and 20, 4 and 20, 5 and 20. So 22 is
22, 22.
22 and 22. Then 23 is
23, 23.
23 and 23. Then 24 is
24, 24.
24 and 24. Then 25 is
25, 25,
25 and 25. So going further, now you can see the numbers 26 to 30. In the same manner as for the numbers 21 to 25, the 6, 7, 8 and 9 are combined with the number 20 using the word und. So 26 is
26, 26,
26 and 26. Then 27 is
27, 27,
27 and 27. And please note that unlike for 16 and 17, where we had to remove the S at the end of number 6 and the EN at the end of number 7 to combine with the number 10, in this case, and with numbers onwards from 20, the whole number will be combined and it will remain as it is. Then 28 is
28, 28,
28 and 28. Then 29 is
29, 29,
29 and 29. Then comes 30, which is
30, 30,
30 and 30. So note please that numbers from 21 to 29 and numbers from 31 to 39 will be such that the numbers 1 to 9 will be combined with the number 20 and the number 30. So moving on, and last of all, 40 is
40,
40 and 40. Then 50 is
50, 50,
50 and 50. Then 60 is again written differently here. As you can see, the S has been removed. Like we saw for the number 16, 16. So 60 is
60. 60.
60 and 60. Also for number 70, note that the en has been removed from the number 7 and it becomes just like the pattern we saw for 17, which was 17, and now 70 is
70. 70.
70 and 70. Then 80 is
80. 80.
80 and 80. Then 90 is
90. 90.
90 and 90. And last of all, we have the number 100, which is
100.
now for numbers between 40 and 50, between 50 and 60, between 60 and 70, between 70 and 80, between 80 and 90, and between 90 and 100, the rule of forming the number will be as you saw for the numbers between 20 and 30 and between 30 and 40. So the individual numbers 1 to 9 will combine with the numbers 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. The only difference you'll see is that 1 will have the S removed. So it will always be 21, 31, 41, etc. So that was all for today. Do stay updated for part 3 of this tutorial. Thank you.